Today on Nebraska WoodSTR, it's 104 degrees and I got the call. We're cutting up trees and logging them out. And I forgot my earplugs. Improvising, napkins, here we go. Welcome back, WoodSTRs. Like I said, it's 104 degrees out. Got a call on one of our project here that the time for the trees to go. So got out a new machine here. So that guy, he's gonna lay them down. I'm gonna log them up, and yeah, they'll all go home to the wood yard in a side dump. So pretty excited on that. So when you get that call, it don't matter if it's 204 degrees. You get the saw out. So today, weapons of choice, all of them. Brought out the 660 clone, put on the new chain. As you could, I've made 3 cuts already and they are perfect. So the things are a little bit dirty, so I'm gonna dull this thing up pretty good, but I'm not gonna jack around with the small saws, but those small saws are here as a backup if I have to do up some lemon or if I have to cut my big saw out of them. So, all right, enjoy. All right, I'm up. Maple tree, getting logged. Directional falling tool comes in handy. Boom. great way to bend the bar. All right, that might be a good spot to stop here. A couple of good groups of trees that'll hit the side dump. Then hit the wood yard, so lots of ash, mostly ash, a little bit of maple, and a little bit of locust in there, so, all right. Not sure what happened there, but like I said, we'll wrap this up. You know the program. Like, subscribe, and share. A little bit of locust, a little bit of maple, and the rest is all ash. Probably 2 or 3 side dump loads. So pretty excited about that. All right. See you on the flip side.